If you're a Vinted reseller, you know this problem. Public bots are slow, free scrapers get IP banned after 10 requests, and unofficial AP is constantly crashed because of Datadome. The result? You missed the best drops. It's over. Meet Vinted Turbo Scrapper. Built for pure speed. Built-in anti-bot bypass, automated residential proxy rotation, and zero complex setup. You paste your URLs, you get your data instantly. How does it work? Step 1. Go to Vinted, apply all your size and brand filters, and copy the URL. Step 2. Paste it directly into the scraper's input. The best part? You can stack as many URLs as you want to scrape dozens of categories simultaneously. Set your item limit, and you're done. Step 3. Run the actor. The scraper handles everything. It manages routing, bypasses Vinted security, and extracts data in real time. Look at the speed in the logs. 0 captchas, 0 crashes. Step 4. Your output is ready. You get everything in a clean format. Price, images, description, direct links, and publication timestamp. You can export it as JSON, CSV, or send it directly via webhook to your Discord to create your own private alert bot. Stop fighting Vinted. The actor link is in the description below. And great news! Apify gives you $5 of free credits on sign up to test the tool. It literally costs nothing to try. Click the link, start your first run, and secure your items before the competition does.